everyone! Santa Gecko here with my elves! It's Christmas time! And Gecko's Garage has transformed into Gecko's Grotto! We have a list of festive fixes for some of our friends. Their presents are wrapped and ready for my merry mechanicals to fit them. Ah! Wrenches and reindeer, they're here! Get ready, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Vicky, Fiona, and Mama Recycle. I heard you've all been very good this year. First on the list is Vicky. You asked for a new ice cream cone. Go on into the grotto. Your gift awaits. And Fiona, you wanted a new fire hose. Your watery wish will be granted. Aha! Mama Recycle, you asked for a new grabbing arm. Let my elves grab that for you. Oh, no! Something's not right. A grabbing arm for Fiona, an ice cream cone for Mama Recycle, and a hose for Vicky? Oh, no! We have a mechanical mix-up. There. Don't be upset now. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is you try to fix them. Grab your tools, it's fixing time! And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on all, let's try again. And match the right present to the right friend. Grabbing arm, ice cream, hose. Let's work out where each one goes. A hose sprays water when things get hot. Fiona fire truck will use this a lot. Mama Recycle's grabbing arm is next. To pick up the waste that she collects. One more fix left for our team. So let's attach Vicky's giant ice cream. Way to go, Merry Mechanicals. You fixed the mix-up just in time for Christmas. When mistakes happen, it's always best to fix them. Until next time, everyone, Merry Christmas! And Happy Holidays!